Okay, everyone, we'll try this one with the help of basic definition of logarithm. We know the basic definition already explained in previous class. Some a power x is always equals to n. This is my exponential form, just like 2 cube is equals to 8. By definition, we can take power is equals to if and only if power is equals to, this is my power is equal to logarithm of a power x value that will be taken logarithm of n to the base a. Similarly, this we can write 3 is equal to logarithm of 8 to the base 2. Now coming to the logarithm of 5 tall to the base 2. This is we can write some x. Suppose this value is equal to some x. Just like this now. I know this is the base and this is the power by definition. If and only if 2 to the power of x, because 2 is my base to the power of is x, is always equals to its exponential form value is 512. Take the 512 and take all prime factors of this one. 2, how many times 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 6 again 2 table 128 times again 2 table 64 times again 2 table 32 times again 2 table 16 times again 2 table 8 and 2 4 and 2 2. Totally how many 2's are there in it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, we can write 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 9. Therefore, if bases are equal, then powers are equal in exponents. Therefore, x is equal to 9. But what is my x? X is nothing but logarithm of 512 to the base 2 is equals to 9. That means this value is equals to 9. When you using identities like logarithmic rules, we can solve very simple in one step. Logarithm of 512 we can write 2 to the power of 9 and we have base 2. This is equals to logarithm of 512 to the base 2 only. When I am going back like this, logarithm of 2 to the power of 9 to the base 2 by exponent law I explain logarithm of some a power n is always equal to n log a. By this formula you can write 9 times logarithm of 2 base 2. I know this value is 1. 9 times 1 is equal to 2. Since we should write why we taken this value is 1. I know the formula logarithm of a base a is equals to 1. So therefore we can do the same problem, we can do like this or you can do like this. Very important, you try it.